the little what? Gals? She's gonna be at the very end, isn't she? Man, this is a long one this year. Holy crap. They just keep coming.
She's over there. She's over there.
Do you see her? I don't see her. Oh, wait. No.
Okay, see the dude in the green up there?
The dude in the green.
Right before him, right before him.
Yeah.
Over there.
Oh, I see her.
Okay, zoom in, zoom in.
I know. She's like in the very back, man.
I'm still waiting.
No, she saw. She just like, I don't know those people. Somebody just waved at us. It doesn't even belong to us. It's funny because they're just dragging these little kids along.
No, she's kind of in the middle.
Is there only 2 5th graders?
Yep.
Surely there's more than that.
Nope.
Walk down here with mom. You stay here.
Okay. Lord, they're just dragging them now.
One of them fell down.
Did they?
It was Zoe too.
It wasn't Zoe, was it?
Yeah.
No.
It was either her or the girl in front of her. I'm allergic to
right in the middle of the screen. Here we go.
Woo! Go Zoe!
We gotta go over there to meet her. Pick her up in a few minutes.
I have to keep warm.
Stop! You're shaking the whole thing, man.
Your music is now on.
Your music.
Your music is now.
Let's go, girl.
Yeah, but they always do the splits like the split show. He does
It's empty.
Girls, go.
This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire.
Throw your hands up if you know that you're a star. You better stand up if you know just who you are. Never give up 'cause you've come too far. Brown power, brown power.
Is that you?
Yeah, it's only like 30 seconds.
The Southern Bells are led by Captain Riley Tucker, First Lieutenant Sylvia Underwood,
do you want the rest
and
of this?
Junior Lieutenants Randy Boland and Sarah Remy.
Do you want the rest of
The
this?
Director of the Bells
There's
is
nothing in
Emily
there,
Wilson.
Yes, there is.
That's
Not
backwash
the voice of the
behavior.
Bells, Ryan Donovan.
All right.
If any of our little lady visitors tonight are performing with the majorettes, if they will go please by the bandstands and be over there, please. Thank you.
Let's go get her.
Moon. Whoa. All right. We're gonna go get her now.